Walang iba kundi si Alden Richard.
Yeah,
Yeah. Kasama niya si Maymay.
Kasama mo si Marian, Kek?
Kasama ko si Marian. Marian de la Vera.
Marian de la Vera.
Yung jacket po, yun do.
Ay!
Yung po yung ano, yung North Face.
Yan, hindi ko nakuha.
Nakalimutin na. Update guys. 2 more hours.
Ay, wait. Alright.
Oh, Alden, anong masasabi mo dito sa California?
Wow, ang ganda, tol.
Ang ganda.
Daming puno.
Kailan yung next scene yun ni Maymay? Kakain muna kami sa restaurant guys. Binibihisan lang si Austin.
Let's go! Let's go!
Let's go! Sige, bilisan mo.
Let's go! Let's go! Are you ready, guys?
Yes, hurry up.
Hurry up!
Mga kaibigan, nandito na kami sa... Galit siya eh. Namin na si Spirit. Kakain kami sa... Ano pangalan ng restaurant ba? Mami? Ano pangalan ng restaurant?
Haru Mama.
Kakain kami sa Haru Mama. Uy! Ano sana ba? Haruma kami kakain dyan. Haruma.
Haru Mama.
Ah, Haru Mama pala. Calamari and takoyaki. Sushi.
Wow, what's that?
Red!
Hi, Austin. Say hi.
Are you ready, guys?
Yes. Uy.
Alam niyo, balud ba?
Yan. Daming ibon, no?
Ayan o. Kasi malakas ang hangin eh.
Okay, kami na lang na kayo. So, dito kami, bababa kami guys. Yan.
Jabon! Yeah, I don't know. Oh!
Bili ko. Ano masasabi mo dito?
Gnarly waves.
Gnarly waves?
Yeah. Hello? Oh yeah. Tama pala siya ng AWOL. Bay, kabayan ako na bay.
Lagi siya ano, natutulog.
Ano, mag-mate niya sila?
Yeah. Ini mo ito? Oh, laki na mo ito. Basa ka ba naman?
Bugnaw ba eh?
Bugaw?
Malamig.
Malamig daw yung tubig, guys.
Pero
Malamig.
kaya? Kaya
Kaya.
pa rin. Pwede pa rin mag-swimming.
May sila yun dun, guys, oh. Yan. Yan. Murag bato lagi na ba eh? Parang bato.
Dying na siya, day? Hello.
Gusto ka mo to? Tara. Patong-patong tangan to. Ha? Murag bato no?
Boy, madaling ka sa ito.
Aw. Murag di ta tagkukumbado.
Madyan?
Sa puno paglumot among kuwang to. Pagaan raman ka ba eh? Mabalaan bita ng madaling as. Yung seal.
Bukod ba yan?
Ayun guys, so seal. Going to sa cave. Punta kami ng cave. Gonna go to the cave. Kamas.
Tagpiso eh.
Di wala sa kumbado lagi.
Pag-ano na ako by mura mo madaling aso.
No, may cave dito guys, oh.
Kuya ba? Sa ilalim ng dagat.
Pwede ba dito? Yan. Sulod ko na ito, dire ba? Di mo ito ka? Di ka mo ito?
Kung madaling kas lingkod rin. Baka na ako lang pa dito. Kubad ka.
Hindi ko metro mo. Yan. Dito na kami sa tuktok guys. Nanap namin sila. Mga bagong dating. Hi guys. Hi Austin. Austin, oy.
Energy, oh.
Yan. Ito na yung room namin.
Can I get inside first, kiss?
Bag. Saan ada, Bay? Ha? Ooh. Ooh. Good morning guys, today is Sunday and we're going to
The zoo, Jade's.
zoo.
Origin.
Where are we going, Austin? Where are we going?
We're going as zoo.
We're going to the zoo. See you there, guys.
See you there, Daddy.
See you there, Austin. You ready?
Yes, sir. The will of the way.
Yan. We're ready, guys. Yan. Wow. Ready na kaming lahat. Uy, may kulang yung isa dito. Nagpaganda pa. Yan. San Diego Zoo. San Diego Zoo, guys. Ang layo, no? Big. Kinang layo, no?
Akala namin sikat kami.
Hi. Hi, vlogs. Hi, guys.
Saan tayo?
Tara.
Bus tour.
Bus tour. Malaki pala. Ang daming tao dito sa ano, guys, zoo. So many people. May ride din doon, no? May flamingo. Wow. Punta kami sa bus tour, guys. Pasok na kayo. So, ang gagawin namin, guys, sasakay kami sa bus. Doon, ililibot kami para tingin ng mga dinosaurs and stuff. Yan. Parang jungle talaga, oh. Mabalik ka kaadto ba? Yung bus, guys, andun, ang daming tao. Linya muna kami. Yan. Dito, saan tayo na? Ah, dito tayo na. Dito kami. Dito kami. Nandun sila, oh. Hi, guys.
In addition to being a world-class zoo, we're also one of the most visited botanical gardens. Now we're bringing thousands of plants from all around the world in order to create a beautiful and native habitat for all the wildlife in our care. Now since we are in the Asian rainforest, we're going to be on the lookout for our Mongolian tigers over on the right. And if you are able to see our tiger, go ahead and point it out to your friends and family. Sunlight. We're looking for them where they're able to secrete a special substance out of their skin called blood sweat. Off to sleep. Now our lions are no different. They'll spend most of their day, upwards of 18 to 20 hours a day, just sleeping, napping, or their earnest for. So maybe we walk down. This is certainly the highlight of any zoo experience. Maybe it's time to turn around and go back and nap. Now, orphan elephants, much more common. Some reasons for that include habitat loss, climate change, but also poaching for the ivory found in their tusks. So now you see our elephants.
Tapos na yung ano, guys. Alright.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Happy holidays. Happy New Year, everyone. Thank you. Take care.
Nagustuhan niyo yung,
Polar brown bear.
ha? Anong pinaka-highlight mo da?
Elephant.
Elephant? Maliit yung elephant, no? Ikaw ba?
Rhino.
Rhino?
I wanna see it.
Wala may rhino.
No, may rhino daw.
Dito kami, guys. Kakain muna kami.
Only buy a popcorn.
Ha?
I wanna buy a popcorn.
Only buy a popcorn.
Ask mommy. Sa mommy.
Ito lang sa'yo.
Wow, animal crackers daw sa zoo?
Giraffe, guys. Oh. Look. Wow.
Walking right here. Yeah. I was Austin.
Hey, giraffe.
You wanna ride the rhino?
Pero ula yung
Please
Kaya-
wake up. You wake up.
Ano yan? Rescued siguro yan, no? Yung parang, parang Pinoch ba?
Interact.
Kulang sa Majestic, oh?
Wala naman kami.
I think na-rescue na siya. Wala siyang kuan.
Oh, it's moving. Ang laki ng thing.
Siguro lalaki yan. Baby arm? Ang laki ng baby arm niya. Grabe, lagi na boy.
Pisot mo siguro, ba? Supot na.
Rhino's away.
Look at
Look at the fifth leg.
See, look, a donkey.
Gamay lagi.
Donkey. A giraffe.
What's that, a giraffe? What's that?
Zebra.
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 Hi, zebra.
Ito yung kuan, yung up close. Pero maliit yung zebra nila ba, no? Ito yung mga kuan.
Christine, see the snake? Hello, look at his eyes.
Kasing tanda na ng lola ko ba eh.
Uwi na kami. Ano na kasi, anong oras na ba? 1:06. Late na nga kami eh. Kakain pa kami. Tapos yun, magda-drive 5 hours.